How to customize Microsoft booking page. In this video, I'll show you how to customize Microsoft booking page. So to customize your Microsoft bookings page, the first thing you'll need to do is to go ahead and head over into your Microsoft booking page account. Now on your account, click on this create booking page button, which you'll find at the bottom of your screen. So in here, go ahead and create a new shared booking page. So create a name for this booking page. So for example, I want to name this as meetings. And then as you can see, you can also add a logo for this booking page. So you can upload it from your local device and then click on open and this would be uploaded as a logo. So you need to set this, and then after that, you need to set the business type. So for example, you're offering sales as your business type. Simply set that to sales and then click on next. And then in here, go ahead and invite your staffs. And then after that, click on next. So in here, you need to set up a service. So a service is an appointment type which your customers can book for your account. You can go ahead and click on this change button and then set the name in here and then set the service duration, when the service is available, the time, and then make sure to check this, make this a Teams meeting if you prefer that. So after that, click on this update service button to update the changes that you've made for that. And then click on the next button. So in here, go ahead and choose who can book your appointment. So if you want anyone to book it, you can go ahead and set this to anyone. Now, if you want only people on your organization to book an appointment to you, you can go ahead and set this to people in my organization. And you can also set this to no self-service, which means that you are going to set the appointments yourself on bookings. So I'll simply set this to anyone and then click on that create button. And then this would load. So once this is done loading, you'll be able to find this section so people can book your appointments through this link. So simply share this link to whom you want to share your appointment availabilities to, and then go ahead and click on this get started button to get started on setting up your account. So this is how your schedule will look like. And that is how you can basically customize Microsoft booking page. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.